Alright, we're going to go for a ride here in a 1969 Camaro Super Sport. Beautiful car, finished in a nice bright red. It's got white interior, kind of a nice contrast. Black carpeting, black dash. Everything pretty stock inside here though. It's got factory gauges, factory tack. Of course, SS hood with little trays in there. It's a real SS. It's got the X55 package on the trim code. It was a color change. Used to be green. I don't know. I kind of like the choice they made. Pulls hard though. Great driver. It's got a 350 turbo transmission. It's got a 308 Posi-Traction 12-bolt rear differential. Headrest seats. Got the 3-point seat belts. Lots of goodies. Got some old school Cragars on there. And they're not the new ones either. They're from the 60s, the old style Cragars. You can change wheels up on these cars too. Some guys like rallies or weld racing or whatever, Americans. It's all personal preference, but the Cragars kind of take you back. But power steering, power brakes, beautiful driver. And those 308s make it so you can get on the freeway with it and just cruise. We'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, let's do a little walk around here with our 1969 Camaro Super Sport. Beautiful looking car, nice bright red paint with the white hockey stick stripe down the side. It's got some old school Cragars on there, 15-inch with the BF Goodrich T radials. Factory front rear spoilers. Of course, it's a Super Sport, right? Gotta have those. No extra charge for the American flag on the back window. But the paint quality is very nice. And this car hasn't been painted in probably over 16 years. So that tells you something. I like old paint. I've mentioned it before. Nothing pops up, no shrinkage, no bubbling. It means it was done right and clean. I'll show you the interior. It's got white interior. It's a little older, but no rips or tears. It's got the headrest seats. Also has the 3-point belts. This one's got the original Super Sport steering wheel. Factory gauges, tachometer. Everything seems to work. It's got an old school cassette player, one of the custom auto sound cassettes. Nowadays everybody's listening to Bluetooth, they got a little speaker in here. Rechargeable. Very clean though. Even the dash, these dashes are known to get rusty around up here and everything like that, but it's beautiful. VIN numbers there intact, all nice. Great looking car, real Super Sport, 350, SS 350 is what it was. X55 package. Runs great. Here's the power plant in our 69 Camaro Super Sport. It's not matching numbers. It has a, I think it was like a 70s 350 in it, but it's been completely rebuilt. It runs real strong. I bet you it's over 300 horsepower, no problem. It's got aluminum intake on it, Edelbrock carburetor, got headers, got the nice polished bow tie aluminum valve covers, has an aluminum radiator with electric fan, thermostatically controlled, so it runs nice and cool. Of course, the power brakes and the power steering. Got a little remote reservoir there, overflow tank for the radiator. Go ahead and fire this bad boy up for you. Yeah, it's got Flowmasters, brand new dual exhaust. I love looking at that tray through the windshield. Real cool. Hear that electric fan running, doing what it's supposed to do. A few chrome goodies. Sounds really good. Nice little wrap. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you around. If you like this one, you better give me a call. These things don't last too long when they're this nice. The undercarriage is beautiful too. No rust, very solid car, good history. Thanks for watching.